In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in GIMP for beginners, step by step, even if you've never used photo editing software before. GIMP is a powerful free editor, and once you know a few simple tools, you can clean up your images, improve lighting, crop distractions, and export polished results with confidence. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your photo in GIMP. At the top left, click File, then choose Open and select the image you want to edit. Once your photo is loaded, take a moment to look at the overall composition. Before making changes, it helps to zoom in and out so you can see both the details and the full image. A useful shortcut here is Ctrl plus mouse wheel, which lets you zoom quickly while working. Now let's start with cropping. If there are unwanted edges, empty spaces, or distracting parts of the image, press Shift and C to activate the crop tool. Click and drag over the area you want to keep. You can adjust the crop box until the framing looks better, then press Enter to apply it. Cropping is one of the easiest ways to instantly improve a photo because it helps focus attention on the main subject and removes anything unnecessary. Next, let's improve the brightness and contrast. Go up to Colors, then click Brightness and tab Brightness Contrast. You'll see sliders for both settings. The key here is to move them slowly. Small adjustments usually look much more natural than big dramatic changes. If your photo looks a little dark, slightly raise brightness. If it looks flat, increase contrast just a bit to help the details stand out. Try to keep it realistic so the image still looks natural and not over-edited. After that, we can improve the overall lighting using levels. Go to Colors and choose Levels. This tool gives you more control over shadows, midtones, and highlights. If you're just starting out, a great place to begin is with the Auto Input Levels button. It can quickly make the image look more balanced without needing advanced adjustments. Once you click it, take a look at the result and see whether the photo looks cleaner and more evenly lit. If needed, you can fine-tune it further, but even the automatic setting is often a helpful beginner-friendly fix. Now let's make the image a little sharper. Go to Filters, then Enhance, and click Sharpen. Use only a small amount here. Sharpening can help bring out detail, but too much of it can make the photo look harsh or noisy. If you overdo it, you may notice grain, rough edges, or an unnatural look, so always use it carefully. A light touch usually gives the best result, especially for beginner photo edits. If your background is distracting, you can soften it with a blur effect. Go to Filters, then Blur, then choose Gaussian Blur. This is useful when you want the subject to stand out more and the background to feel less busy. Again, less is more. A subtle blur can help guide the viewer's eye without making the photo look artificial. This is especially useful for portrait-style images or photos with cluttered backgrounds. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to save the finished image properly. Go to File and choose Export As. This is important because exporting creates the final version of your edited photo in the format you want. If you want the highest quality or need transparency, use PNG. If you want a smaller file size for easier sharing online or through email, use JPEG. Choose the format that best fits your purpose, give the file a name, and export it to your preferred folder. And that's it. You've now learned the basic GIMP workflow for beginners. You opened your image, cropped it, adjusted brightness and contrast, improved the lighting with levels, sharpened carefully, blurred distractions, and exported the final result. With just these simple tools, you can make a big difference in your photos without needing advanced editing experience. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.